So the palette I'm going to be using today is my Anastasia You know what? I heard. Bumbo. Hey beauties, it is your favorite inconsistent queen that is trying to be consistent, Jessica Nicole, and Shelly, which is my natural hair. Don't mind it. It may look a little bit crazy because I was outside with my hair like this, and one, it shrunk, and two, this is how I ended up looking, and I'm gonna leave it just like this. Anywho, this video is not about my hair. It is about this makeup, and this tutorial is about my go-to glam, and this is it. So if you guys want to know how I achieved it, stay tuned. So as you guys can see, I am starting off with my brows halfway done and one eye on. Honestly, I always start like this because if one eye goes left, then I gotta start over. I'm not gonna raw dog an eye look unless it's like a get ready with me. But if this is a tutorial, baby, I'm gonna do one eye first. So for primer on my lid, which I feel like this was a bad idea, I received these concealers, and one is out of the pack, from The Balm. They sent me these a while ago, and I never tried them because I wanted to try them as an eyeshadow primer first, and I just had them in the room, and I was like, maybe I should try them today. Now, what I will say is, in the package, I guess because I waited so long, they were separating. So the one that I actually decided to use is number 34. It has a golden undertone. It's pretty close to what I usually use to prime my lid, so I'm gonna use this. Now, I will tell you that it is, I would say, greasier than what I'm used to because I usually use my full wear concealer, which is on the mattifying side. And the more I blend it out, it starts to mattify. With this one, it doesn't. So I had to go in with some translucent powder in order to use it. So because it's not mattifying, I'm just gonna go in with my powder puff and some of my Mercier setting powder and just set my lid with that. So the palette I am going to be using today is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I still sell it, so I purchased another one. It's my go-to palette. It has browns in there, it has a black. Go-to palette for an eye look for me. For the first eyeshadow, I will be going in with Sienna, and this is gonna be my crease shade. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop that in my crease and build this up. And make sure I blend the edges of the eyeshadow out so that I could go ahead and put my transition shade. So for my transition shade, I'm just picking up some of burnt orange, and I'm literally just blending the outside of Sienna. I do want my eye to have a little bit of depth, even though you're probably not gonna see much. I'm picking up some of Mulberry in Cyprus Umber, and I'm just gonna blend that deep in my crease. And I'm only picking up the shade once, and I'm completely blending this out. I'm gonna go back in with Sienna, and I'm just gonna blend that darker shade out. So this is how your eyes should look after blending all of that in. You'll literally not take it forever on this because it's a quick eye, very quick. I'm gonna just go back in with my L'Oreal concealer because I need something that's a little bit more mattifying to go on the lid. So I'm just gonna pick up some of that and blink my lid out to prepare it for my lid shade. Then I'm just gonna go in with a small blending brush. I'm just gonna blend the edges of that concealer out. For my lid shade, I'm going in with Orange Soda, and I'm just tapping that on my lid with my M456 from Morphe. After doing that, the same brush that I had, I'm just blending out the edges of that lid color. And I'm not adding anything to these brushes. These brushes have nothing on them. I'm just defining my crease area. How we looking? is literally all it is for the lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly run through my face. I'm not gonna say much so you guys could watch. And if you guys need a tutorial on my face, you guys could check the previous video. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen and you could click that and then come back so we can finish the eye. Cool, cool. I will say, I didn't forget the blush this time because I forgot the blush the last time. This is the E.L.F. Putty Blush. Yes, the E.L.F. Putty Blush, and this is in Caribbean or Caribbean, depending on how you say it. I'm just gonna pick this up, and before I blend out this concealer, I'm just gonna tap this. I usually go a little extra with it because I know once I put the concealer on, it's gonna blend out. So because my face is on and everything, we're gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes. The bottom part of the eye, I think is pretty quick and easy. But again, that's how me, darling. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora 12-hour colorful crayon or contour eye pencil, and this is in black lace. This is waterproof. This is one of the eyeliners that I live by other than the one that Morphe used to have. Really, really good liner. You see that? Black. So then I'm gonna go ahead and go back into my Soft Glam palette. Don't mind her, she's dirty. And I'm going to pick up the color Noir, and I'm going to pack that underneath the liner. I don't switch the brush. I just get a piece of paper towel and rub the brush until nothing comes out. And then I'm gonna pick up Sienna and I'm gonna blend underneath that black. I went back in with a little bit more black because I need that black to show. That's how the under eyes are supposed to look. Let me pop my lashes on. For lash glue, I am using the Kiss Eye Envy Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive in Clear. Before I put my bottom mascara on, I just have to dust this away. This also blends out the bottom of anything that went further than it was supposed to. Y'all seen this lip a couple of times, but this is my Kiss Lip Pencil in Coffee Brown. This is MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I'm gonna take my NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee and pop this in the center. My Fenty Beauty What Used to Be Clear Gloss, which will always be a holy grail for me. This is like, I don't even know what number I'm on. Okay guys, so here is your finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video.